Hello, students. I hope so. The matter which I taught you, and by your practice, you are understanding and you are enhancing your knowledge. Enhancing knowledge without practice is impossible because practice makes a students perfect. So you need to practice, and especially in 12th standard, writing skills is a major portion in your question paper. In 12th question paper, writing part is a major part. You need to practice a lot and communicate with me, then you can find out what's your weakness and what's the strength. So whatever the homework I am just giving you, and I had given you have to practice. If suppose that you didn't attempt, so right now it's time it started. From today also you need to start and post in a particular class group. Now today I will teach you solved example of poster. I already taught you, but one example that. Now today I will emphasize that how's the formation of poster. What are the different ways without drawing or making a sketch you can frame a proper poster. So this is a poster solved example. Red Cross Society is going to organize a blood donation camp. So draft a poster in about 50 words. Word limitation, it's a very, very important part in writing skill, especially in 12th standard. Evaluator are checking through the word limitation also. So you never be exceeds the limit. You need to be not maximize. You need to be just below the 50 words, like 40 to 45 you can. Now this is, at the top is written, don't shed blood, donate blood, save life. This is written about blood donation camp. Now your contribution can save what? First, a thalassemia patient. A patient of thalassemia requires blood more frequently, it's going to be changed. So thalassemia patients. Second, accident victims. Like accident, the person lost their blood. Those patients required in a quick succession. Next, war victims. And next, emergency patients. Here you will observe the arrow. The frame of the arrow I have written first is smaller, then bigger than this, then more bigger than this, then biggest this is. So this is the way of representation also. Then after here, biggest donation, blood donation. Date, venue and time. This is the major part of the poster. Here this information is required. So in about 50 words, this is a perfect poster, and inside the box is required to be. You can change the font of the letter, and by that way you can represent. If you want to highlight a particular word, so you can change the font, whether it's caps or in running. In italic shape also you can write, italics. This is a poster. Regarding that, you need to practice. So I will give you two homework. First is this, go through by this homework and solve as ever you are getting the leisure time, and solve it properly. All the information you need to add by your tagline, catchy slogan, and who are going to organize this, that is required to write. So today you have to frame it and post as early as possible in your classroom. Thank you.